Alright, so here's how to make a simple cat and mouse game in Scratch. So I'm currently using a book, just as a guide, to show me how to do it. So you can follow along code afterwards if you wish. And actually turn on face cam as well. Shut that down. Cat and mouse. So we're going to get a repeat until. Let me search. Control, so control, repeat until. Let me see. Touching mouse pointer. Repeat until. Where is it? We clicked. We'll add that as well. So what do we want? Repeat until. There it is. I want to delete. Just remove that. Delete. Pointer. Repeat until touching mouse pointer. Start for flag when clicked. So this loop will make whatever's touching it repeat over and over until the cat touches it. So we're going to have motion, point towards mouse pointer, move 10 steps. Where's move 10 steps? Sensing, so this is all the options. Pick random join, length around, username. Is there a search option? Direction. Move 10 steps, it was at the top. And then next costume. Costumes. Costume 2, right. Code. Next costume. Say, and we want to say got you for 2 seconds. Say got you for 2 seconds. Now let's play. Oh yeah, so you see when the mouse clicks it, it says got you for 2 seconds. And when we click the flag it plays. Oh, he's stuck up in the corner. It's a bit of a glitch. Alright, so every time, because he's so close, the mouse is just going to keep clicking him. Let me see if I can reset that. Just move him down. Yeah, there. Move him around now. See, he'll keep running around until the mouse clicks him. And he's spamming at the wall. So we need to fix that. We're going to make him bounce off the wall. So if on edge bounce, if conditional control motion. So we're looking for if on edge. If touching mouse pointer. Sensing, I'd say. Search. Where can I search properties? We do. Nice. If on edge, there it is. If on edge bounce. So now that'll fix that. bouncing off the edge, but he's not really doing it. See, he's just getting stuck in the corners like that. Alright, so we're gonna do go to 0, 0. Oh, he moved out of it, yay. 0, 0. So when clicked, goes to 0, 0, keeps moving around. Got you. And the next costume bit is to make it look like he's animated, like he's running. So I'm going to stop recording now.